Hey, what's up everybody? My name is D and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this channel, all I talk about is building websites and building businesses using WordPress website. So today is a lucky day because I have a viewer from YouTube. He contacted me and he wanted me to build the web hosting business for him. He basically is just starting out. He's trying to do the digital agency because he used to have a job. He does SEO and marketing and stuff like that, but now he don't want to work for that agency anymore. He wants to start his own agency. So he was looking for some help building the web hosting business. So he just contacted me, and we spoke yesterday and we spoke today, and he decided he need my help because it's kind of take a lot of time to get the network up and running. So basically the network we were talking about is that website where user can come in and register the websites using your network. Or if you a web freelancers, you want to build a website for your client fast and easy, you want to build a pre-built template that's ready for your potential customer. Once you have a client, all you have to do is just pick the template, choose the domain name, create an account, and then start designing the website for your client. But because you already built the template before, so it will save you a lot of time to get the website up and running for your customer. Yeah, so this way it saves a lot of time building the website for your client. But one of the best things is that now that you register that customers, let's say you have other services that you want to upsell your client, then you can charge them into that account. So we were just talking a lot about like how we close the clients and how we make money using the web hosting business, and I was really excited because he has a pretty good idea of what he's doing, and he has a pretty good game plan. And I was very excited because I could be able to help him out. So right now I'm just setting up the network for him. For me, it took me some time to figure everything out for the network, but for him, because he doesn't have the time to do it, so he just hired me to build the web hosting business for him. And I'm so excited because he could be the potential partner with me in the futures, because like we just click, you know. All we talk about is building websites, creating businesses using WordPress web hosting business, and closing like high-end customers. So right now my network is making about $2,000 a month. So let's say if 1 month I have one customer and that customer is paying me $350 for just one website and $30 a month, then that month I would make about $2,400 for that month. But the whole month is a long time. So sometimes I get 2 clients, sometimes I get 3 clients per month. So that case is one of the best way to make money during this time. Because I don't have to go to work. I work at the comfort of my home, and sometimes I travel and I bring my laptop with me, and I was able to still making that money, you know. Even if I don't bring my laptop because of all the websites or of the network or of the marketing strategy, I was able to just manage this on my phone. That's one of my goals for the futures, because sometimes the laptop is too heavy to carry around, especially if you're on vacation. You just want to bring your phone and manage your whole business from your phone. That's one of my goals. My first goal was to be able to make money even in my sleep, to make money even when I travel the world. And now that I complete that goal, I'm just so happy to be able to help some of my viewers from these channels to create the web hosting businesses, so they can start making website for their client and starting making that recurring monthly income. Yeah, life is good, and I'm currently still in Vietnam right now, but I'm planning to go back to America. I'm planning to go purchase a car using the money from this business, and start traveling America, and start making more YouTube videos, travel videos, and just really experience life, you know. Yeah. So if you decide you want to build the web hosting business and you need some help from me, just contact me. I'll be more than happy to help you, and possibly I can travel to you. Maybe it doesn't matter where you are in the world right now. I have that ability to travel to you. But all joke aside, if you ever need my help, just contact me. If you want to learn the whole thing, I do create a course for you to check it out. I think that course is very affordable. It takes me a lot of time to create that course, to give you all of the technicals of how to build the web hosting business. And if you don't have the time to do it, just hire me. I'll do it for you. And it doesn't take me long to do it. You'll be able to run your business very quick and easy. And you will always have my contact. If you ever need help with anything with your network related, just contact me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. All right. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.